Another warning, but we want to warn the folks out there. And you got the little graphics with the lightning. It's kind of scary just looking at it.
And I think you guys have learned from the last spring, right, with the trampoline, right? It's secured in the ground very well.
Yes.
You'll need to do all of that tomorrow night because we do have some very gusty winds, which I believe very well could prove to be more problematic than even our threat for thunderstorms tomorrow evening. So here's what to expect. Yes, there's the chance for a few strong storms during the evening, but yes, there's also the likelihood for very strong winds overnight tomorrow night into Friday morning that have nothing to do with severe weather, but just simply we've got this big potent storm that's going to cruise through the Ohio Valley. It's sort of like a hole in the atmosphere, so to speak. So what happens, you've got this big hole in the atmosphere and the winds just really rush in to replace that hole, so to speak. That's kind of a layman's way of explaining it. Well, let's get to the forecast here about what's happening now and for the next 12 hours. Actually pretty quiet. Stays quiet through the night tonight, and it looks quiet through the first half of your day on Thursday. In fact, if you get up early enough, you'll probably catch the sun. Clouds will come in pretty quickly, though, and then rain is looking likely by mid to late morning. So here we are tonight, very mild, very comfortable out. Most areas still hovering close to 60. We've got a little bit of a light southwesterly breeze at the moment. Temperatures finally beginning to fall back into the 50s in some areas. Otherwise, you can still see a plethora of 60s out there. Mason at 62, Batavia, Falmouth, Brooksville, Georgetown, all in the 60s. Oxford at 60 right now. A few locations have snuck down into the upper 50s. So high pressure still in charge of our weather. As promised, it's been hanging on strong all week, but it is finally about to give way to a pretty big storm, or at least a potent storm, that's going to cruise its way through the Ohio Valley starting tomorrow. So here we are. Notice again, there's a bullseye of red and orange to our south. Big severe weather outbreak across southern Kentucky, down through the Tennessee and Mississippi River valleys. Here we are on the northern fringes of that in a marginal to slight risk for strong to severe storms. Again, not a big surprise that we were moved into the slight risk. Anytime you're just south of that storm track, you always got the threat for some strong storms. So here we are. Starts quiet in the morning with some sun. We cloud up pretty quick. Here comes the rain by late morning, early afternoon. You're heading out around lunchtime. You'll likely need the umbrella. And then it looks like we'll keep rain going through the afternoon. There will be a lull, and it's during this lull, somewhere between about 9 and 12 tomorrow evening, where we'll run the potential of seeing some stronger storms around here. By midnight, that threat is out of here, but then the wind threat that has nothing to do with the storms goes up. So let's talk about these ingredients. We've got the strong cold front. We've got the wind shear, which allows storms to rotate. Now, if we have those ingredients, you need that for severe weather, but we also need this key ingredient, and that's instability, because without instability, you can't get good storms, and then none of this other stuff really matters. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Now, the other concern tomorrow are the winds, and you can see here in our northern communities, winds could gust to 60, but I still think area-wide we're talking 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts. So with that in mind, where we could see the highest gust north of the Ohio River, we do have a high wind watch, and a fact that very well could be upgraded to a high wind warning. So we've got a little bit of turbulent weather here for Thursday. 52 tonight. Tomorrow we'll climb into the mid-60s for highs. It's obviously a weather impact day. There's your day planner with the rain basically late morning through the afternoon hours. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this here. After Thursday, it's much quieter on Friday, and then it looks like a dry start to the weekend. Saturday looks nice, but then rain moves in here Saturday night for cooler weather on Sunday.
Are you yawning?
I'm just looking at Monday being a real yawner over there. After all that turbulence and Saturday and Monday.